Hello YouTube, this is Brian Tubbs coming at you with another video. It's just a follow-up on the piece I was making earlier today. The piece called Stacks or Opposing Views. I have it all welded up, I grinded it down, put it on its base. It's all mild steel piece. So I took you guys through the instructions on how we do it, how we hide the welds, and all of that stuff. I was gonna let you guys see it. Maybe I'll give you a close-up view of it. So as you can see, there are no welds to be seen, other than in one spot, which is right there. Everything is no welds there. If you look between the two pieces, you can't see any welds in there. No welds here. And even if you look at it from underneath here, you can't see the welds. So again, that's stacks or opposing views, and I told you guys that I would do a follow-up once I get it put together. And this is pretty much what it looks like, unpainted. So now we're going to move it into paint, get it painted and clear coated, and put it in the in the heat oven area. Let it bake in, and then after you get finished with that, I don't know if you guys can see, hopefully you can see this piece, but this piece is called Tipping Point. It's an all stainless steel piece, and it stands about 27, 28 inches tall. It's all stainless steel, and these are the cutouts for it. Let me scan this back a little bit. So these are the cutouts for it. So what I'll do is I've laid these on to a sheet of stainless steel, and I've cut the pieces out. They're pretty rough right now, but what I'll do is go through and grind these pieces, get them exactly how I want them to be. I want the lines to flow flawlessly, just beautifully. And then what I'll do is take these two pieces, lay it on the stainless steel, take the plasma cutter and trace this. So when I make the other piece, I won't have to be free-handed, because oftentimes you'll have a lot more material on the second one, and then you have a lot of grinding to do. But if you knock this down first, then lay it on there and trace it with your plasma cutter, it'll be a lot closer to this piece. And I'll just grind them together, put them together, either clamp them together or just tack them in a few places together, and grind them to get the exact same lines on both pieces. Now I'll do the same with the top. And then there was a circle on top. That's stainless steel. We cut that from a pipe. We just cut it, grind it, do all the things we do, polish it up, and then we'll make a base for a stainless steel base that it'll stand on. And then just kind of keep going from there. We sold quite a few pieces last week, so I'm just trying to make some of those pieces, and I'm also, while I'm doing that, I'm always thinking of new pieces. So I'm coming up with new pieces, so I'm going to be cutting out the stainless steel for those pieces as I try to replenish for the pieces that we sold this past weekend. Alright guys, well, just want to give you a little update on stacks or opposing views. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to start the paint process. Clear coat, putting it under the oven. Then I'll move on to balancing point or tipping point, and then I'll move on to the next piece. Alright guys, just want to show you what I was doing. It's hot as anything out here. It's probably close to 90. Humidity has to be in the 75 to 80% range. So I really got to be careful with this paint because it will want to drip because of all the moisture in the air. So I really got to put really thin coats on, take my time. I'll probably shoot a coat on, go somewhere, sit down in some air conditioning, come back out, shoot another coat, and keep going back and forth. Because if I don't, I have a tendency to want to spray too fast and the paint will build up and it want to run. I can't have runs with these projects. It's too much surface area to have runs, so it's going to have to be nearly perfect. Alright guys, again, this is Brian Tubbs, just coming at you with another short video. So I will see you guys on the next one. Hopefully I'll have tipping point started so you can kind of get a view of what's going on with that and how we do it and all that kind of stuff. I just want to keep you guys posted and keep giving you insider secrets to the world of sculpture and art shows and all this kind of stuff. Alright guys, well, I'll see you on the next one with an update on tipping point. Alright, have a good day. Peace out.